Alright, here's a 2017 Nissan Versa. I'm going to show you how to get the fender off. This one's all bent up, so we're putting a new one on for a customer. You'll need a 10 mil, some way to get off, some push pins, and a Phillips bit. To start, you take the bolt that's holding it to the headlight off, and then this is going to be sitting like this. And what you have to do is you undo the 10 mil that's located right there, and to pop this off you have to get these little clips that are right there and there, and you just pop that out, and there's going to be a bolt hidden right there. Then you come up here. This bolt's the easiest one to get to, just a 10 mil. You pop off this little trim piece right here, and there's a 10 mil right there. You open up your door, and right there is a 10 mil, easily hit front with the door open from right here. And then you come down here, and this one's a little bit hidden. It's right there. This car came with some sick mud flaps, so you have to take that off, and it's a push pin right there, a 10 mil, and then down in here is another push pin. And that is how to get off the fender of a Nissan Versa. Hope it helps you out. Let me know if you have questions. Bye. There's also a few push pins, 1, 2, and the third one I just got out, which went right there, 3, to get this liner off that holds the fender in a little bit. And after that, you should be all set. Alright, so I got the fender off, and this right here is sticky, and it sticks to the fender. And then down here, let me show you. Right there, this was actually stuck to the bottom of the fender right there. But that's how you do it. So it's that bolt down there, the flap, the push pins, that bolt, this bolt, and voila, there it is. Hope it helps you out. Good luck with it.